Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the equation x divided by 4 plus 2 equals 3. We will go step by step to isolate the variable x and find its value. Let's get started with the solution. Step 1. To solve the equation x divided by 4 plus 2 equals 3. First, we need to isolate the variable x. To do this, we start by looking at the equation x divided by 4 plus 2 equals 3, and notice that there's a plus 2 added to x divided by 4. Our goal is to get x alone on one side of the equation. To remove the plus 2, we perform the opposite operation, which is subtraction. If we subtract 2 from both sides of the equation, we will keep the equation balanced because what we do to one side, we must do to the other side to maintain equality. So we subtract 2 from the left side of the equation, removing the plus 2, and we also subtract 2 from the right side of the equation. The equation x divided by 4 plus 2 minus 2 becomes just x divided by 4 on the left side because plus 2 and minus 2 cancel each other out. On the right side, we have the number 3 minus 2, which equals 1. Now the equation is simplified to x divided by 4 equals 1. This ends step 1. Step 2 to solve the equation, x divided by 4 plus 2 equals 3. Now that our equation has been simplified to x divided by 4 equals 1, our goal is to get x completely alone on one side of the equation. Currently, x is divided by 4. To undo the division by 4, we do the opposite operation, which is multiplication. If we multiply both sides of the equation by 4, we will keep the equation balanced. So we multiply the left side of the equation by 4, which means x divided by 4 times 4. The divided by 4 and times 4 cancel each other out, so we are left with just x on the left side. On the right side, we have 1 times 4, which equals 4. So the equation now is x equals 4. Since we have x alone on one side of the equation and a number on the other side, this completes our solving process. Therefore, the solution to the equation x divided by 4 plus 2 equals 3 is x equals 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.